You can see this sand were taken from the water, directly from the water. It's a very big sand, just like an ocean. You can describe a beach with a rock, and there are trees and palm trees, and you can see other features, and they just a minute vegetations and minute population. This is a very small beach being grown here on the side of water. You can see, man, you can take note of that too. Thank you. See, the name of the tree is called Achi, that grows on a rock. Wow, this is a very mighty tree. So you can see it over there, a very mighty tree. Here we are moving. Mama, hurry up, girl. You guys transfer now? YouTube, by the Facebook.
Let's wait for you. I bet come in front too.
Yes, Mama, walk fast though. I get Piabini. Yes, I'm moving. You can see, man, it's a very nice excitement. We should be here. We should come to Ikom local government, Etun, and then Cross River State. It's very exciting.
If you go to the Niagara Falls, it's not like this.
I just say it's more bigger.
The Niagara Falls that they talk about, big, it's not like this.
Wow.
I'm telling you now, it's not like this thing. This one is wide that has more tributaries. Niagara Falls is just one.
That's it. Just one.
I need to see the way they dress the place, Mama. Oh my God.
We urge the federal government to do that. But I know they are going to do it.
The way down. And what we
boy.
here,
The noise is much here.
And the last it's going to be a slow and steady movement because of our shoes that are found. And a different world completely, not like our natural home here. It's a different world completely. All the features that are mentioned are terrifying. So it's going to be a slow and steady movement.
No, Mama, I get one here. Man, this is serious. Man, this is serious. Man, the steps are very, very crooked. We have to do it slowly. Slowly, so we won't slide down. You understand? You have to do it slowly. You can watch me as I'm going slowly. Yes. I'm going slowly. Yes, Uncle and Nena. They are going to make things like real. Look at my dad, they are coming, and my uncle, yeah, they are coming down. Are you happy, eh?
No. She's not coming.
She can't come.
The other I can hold any of the trees so for support while you are coming down.
The strength of the force is the rock. And the rock clearly, as you can see, though it's igneous rock, you see it properly by the time we get down to the tunnel. And the shape of the rock looks like a monorail in a meandering form, starting its position of the nature of the rhododendron from here to the cave. And the thorns you are seeing would have looked like the crown of thorns of Jesus Christ, but I'm not saying it is, but something similar to that.
Sorry,
Please, we are getting down to the main Hearts Park. Your eyes on the ground while you snap or you video. The forest you are seeing is tropical forest. It has not been deforested.
Uncle, be going now. I'll follow you behind.
As you can see, I'm
Oh boy.
there's network here.
Yes, sir, there's network. It's a different wall entirely. You can see it's a very different wall. Wow, we are going down to the waterfall. This is where the heart is. Man, this is excites me. Oh, this is exciting. Seriously. Oh boy, for my second phone now. Hi. Get that phone for us. Wow.
These are the twin trees, Amber and Mango.
Yeah, Amber and
These
Mano.
are hide and good. Please come up this way for the tunnel.
Okay. We are going to see the tunnel now. Amber and Mano.
We can go through here now.
No, you are not going to anywhere. Just stand there. Like just stand back the other way.
Okay, let's see it. Oh my God.
I hope that is coming. Okay, sorry.
Can you see the tunnel?
Yeah, these are the twin trees, Amber and Mango by your right.
Can you see the tunnel? There.
Those twin trees.
Watch my hand.
There, look at them.
There.
These are the twin trees.
That is the tunnel.
These twin trees. Here is clearly the tunnel where the great AGBOKIM people make their way in during the ancient period. Time. They go in through this way and they make their way out through that other mini waterfalls at the central bus stop of AGBOKIM waterfall. Then
Be careful.
clearly you can see here the igneous rock like Enugu coal, and God have mounted or displayed another kind of flower on top, that's vanilla flower, and vanilla has to do with 21 usages in life. One of it is cosmetic, so you can clearly see it is another kind of mysterious way. You see, you can not even on the ground, but on top of
the rock.
the rock. You are welcome. We have a lot to see.
How can we harvest the vanilla?
No, we
It's so-
don't allow people to make use of it.
Okay, but if we make use of it,
But the vanilla is very expensive
People are
plant.
making use of it.
Go on here. Be careful.
Don't for that cultural harm. Don't let people know who are going to come.
Go on here now.
By the time government will come with landscaping architect work,
Yes.
I want them to observe the ecosystem, the natural trees, young plants that are here, that the government should rather have a botanical garden integrated with the natural trees, nothing to be deforested or cut down, and sitting position all over. By His grace, January or February 2014, I'm going to carve out another track here where people will go in to see some wonders right down there and make their way out from the twin rocks. That is my purpose.
so you have all those proposals on soft copy. Eh? You have the proposals on soft copy.
Oh, this is a very good video. Hope you show it to your children at home.
Natural rock.
The twin rock face me and face you with a walkable pathway at the middle. We want to access the water now.
This is where they must have created and be walking to that tunnel.
Yes. Oh boy. This is big. Wow.
Don't go far again.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go on.
Let's go on. Wow. So this was what we're standing.
Okay.
That is.
Clearly, can you see your position of time in that way?
Yes.
That's the thing about that
where we stand.
Number 2 there. Number 3, clearly you can see it from here. Number 4, almost shared.
Yes.
5 and 6, double measure. With 5 yellow predominant color on it. And the last one, the 7. But during the rainy season, the main hard part is a full-time lake. And the water will be clapping end to end. You wouldn't believe that it's dry. Some few months ago, if I open my phone here, you will see this place busy like Babish. But imagine the dry season has affected it. It has come to a place that you can easily go. And water has consumed everywhere there again. Look at the sediment of the sandland. Clearly, look at an object there like a python. So,
That is what is that?
it's a dead moon. Dead moon. So,
But you have reptiles, yeah?
we have so many. And if I tell you, cannot even stand. Even now, you begin to
Man, let's go.
Let's see them
So,
now.
let's
Do you
Come on,
fumigate
left
this
side.
place?
Yeah,
No.
Let's go to the cave. Let's go that place.
Let's go.
Water flows every day.
See, we are leaving the waterfall now, eh? We are going to the cave.
Giving us another part of our...
Yes, now that's true.
That is the tree that is containing the book on top of the rock,
Yeah.
close to where your vehicles are parked. And I told you that that tree is growing vehemently on top of the rock.
Exactly.
Last year you all had the peculiar news about flood disaster and volcanic eruption in the country, mostly predicted and combated as well. Most of these things were affected, highly affected by flood disaster.
Yeah.
And even we know too well that farmers lose their crops. Government has to aid them with food because they face famine. And some landlords and landladies lose their houses, property, lives all gone. But can you imagine the tree on top of the rock here is showing the sustainability strength of it is wonderful. How a tree is growing on top of the rock and with all this spectacular news about flood and whatever, no shakeable. Look at it there. That's the sustaining good. Yeah. Ordinarily on a special land, and if a tree can be stormed down by wind or breeze, but that tree there is unshakable. Look at the young plants here, growing to form of, bigger trees in nearest future. Assuming a plant maize on top of the rock, I doubt if that maize will really, grow for even a day. So God be the glory for this kind of thing.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Where are we going to again?
The cave.
Again?
We'll come out through that side.
No.
Yeah, the one that.
Àwọn fi àlọ́ wà ní mission. Àwọn ìgbà ìlú mú bí àwọn tẹ̀lé ní kò.
They're coming, we are waiting.
Yes, we are going.
Coming, we are waiting.
We are waiting. Clearly, as you come, gently as you come, you hear me.
This is the last spot we are going.
From the branches of the cane tree,
Yes.
water falls in like a borehole non-stop during the rainy season, and this environment is thick with fog. Fog will cover you as if you are in snow and environment that is summertime.
Yes.
And the volume of the water will be highly heavy. Then clearly here, vanilla has been discovered upon the tree of the rock again. This is another beautiful plant, and the back side of it is rough like sandpaper, though it's medicinal. All the leaves, the vegetation is here, they are all medicinal. They are for people know it themselves. This one, it has to do with women who have infertility problem. By the time this one is cooked with another leaf, I know, within the space of short
Wind start coming.
should become.
Wind start coming.
Look at this color. Look at the beauty of the vanilla flower.
Yes.
This is the beauty of the vanilla flower.
You didn't tell us about this girl.
Then I'm coming, sir. Then that's the beauty. Then the purple flower that typifies the earth part. You can see it's very common. Look at it here. That's the same here there. This is the purple flower. Now we want to see the bottomless pit.
Okay. The bottomless pit.
Are we going back?
We are going to the bottom.
Different thing. Ebe ọjà lẹ̀ka náà wọ̀.
Ọkụkọ ni ga chichu.
Anyị ga-aga iyi.
Ka onye ga ma ge. Ah.
Oh God. One by the left. Very, very terrifying. Very, very terrifying. We don't keep visitors long here, because you cannot withstand what you may want to see here. So the one by the right dark, the one by the left dark, but you can't get the full clear picture of it except with the help of flash light. Clearly you can see that one is dark. This one is also dark. As you can use the light, the flashlight.
Ọkụ use your torch.
But No limit at the base. No limit at the base. Both the one by the right and the one by the left. Please, we don't waste. I don't keep visitors here long.
So
We
there's
have.
a connection. There's a connection there.
Uncle, come here.
Please.
You are here. You are.
Fast. We.
Uncle,
Yeah.
please put your hand.
Why are you saying so now?
Baba, let's go.
No, sir.
Our time is
Hey,
up.
cave. That's the cave there. That's the cave. That's the cave. That's the cave here. That's the cave.
Is that where we are passing?
No, this is the cave that we were standing. That cave. Just come close and see it.
Okay, the one we're standing.
We'll come back later.
So clearly, this part of the rock shows elephant skin. Look at elephant skin.
Yes. Where is the cave?
This is the cave.
You see, this part of the road shows elephant skin. Wow.
I told you that they swing around during the dry season. People goes around here because it's cool. The base of the tree, the hill tree, is another attraction. People make it see the roof of the tree. This is not the cave. This is the way down to the main artifact. When you want to go down, the main artifact. So the picnic area, very cheap.
What is the footprint there?
Water drop. Water drop.
I go in here with my visitors every day. You're supposed to go in.
Come back.
Wow.
So when
This
down
is-
here,
This is the end of it, man. We're going to stop here from now. We're going to stop from here. We're going to start from here. Like, I want to go. We have other things to do. Thank you very much, and thank you for following me throughout this show. Thank you. You can see the waterfall. Wow, so beautiful.
they are going.
So beautiful. This is not magnificent. It's good.